A few years ago, I had absolutely no self-discipline. I woke up late, procrastinated all day, and constantly promised myself that I would start tomorrow. The strange thing was, I had big goals. I wanted to improve my life, learn new skills, and become more successful. But every time it was time to work, my brain would say, let's just scroll social media for a few minutes. And those few minutes would turn into hours. One day I realized something that was honestly painful to accept. Successful people are not always more talented than everyone else. Most of the time, they are simply more disciplined. That realization changed how I looked at everything. Instead of forcing myself to suddenly become a highly disciplined person, I decided to start very small. I made a simple rule: work for just 5 minutes. That's it. Just 5 minutes. At first it sounded almost too easy. But something interesting happened. Once I started working, it became easier to continue. 5 minutes often turned into 30 minutes, and sometimes even an hour. That's when I discovered a powerful truth. Self-discipline is not really about motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel inspired, and other days you don't want to do anything at all. Real self-discipline comes from systems and habits. When you build small daily habits, they slowly shape your behavior. And over time, those habits turn into discipline. Day by day, those small actions started to add up. One productive day became a week. 1 week became a month. And before I realized it, I had built a level of discipline I never thought I had. Today, I'm still not perfect. I still have days where I feel lazy or distracted. But the difference is that I now understand something powerful. Self-discipline is not something you are born with. It is something you build, step by step, day by day. So if you feel like you have no discipline right now, don't worry. Start small. Start today. Even 5 minutes is enough to begin. Because the small actions you take today can slowly build the person you want to become tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more ideas that can help you grow and improve your life.